At the fulling mill, the power of wood, wool and water. We are just outside the village of Dala-Floda in County Dalarna in Sweden. At the end of the road is an industrial site with buildings from the 17th century. I'm here with my wool traveling club. Between us we have over 20 meters of hand-woven wool cloth. We're going to full them in the Vadmalstamp, the fulling mill. Fulling mill consists of giant beams driven by a water wheel to stump into troughs filled with the textiles. Anna-Karin Jobs Arnberg welcomes us and shows us on a miniature model of the mill how it works.
Jag vill att stampen ska sköta jobbet.
The aim is to full the fabric heavily into broadcloth, something that once was needed in the cold Swedish winters. Anna-Karin knows this mill like her own heart. Her family has run it for generations. She knows when the rhythm of the stomping beams is right.
En viktig sak när man håller på, eller som jag har lärt mig, det är att vi hela tiden måste lyssna på stampen. Det är den som, när den går jämnt och fint och hjulet och alltihopa, då får den ett speciellt ljud. Att den låter badam, 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 badam.
She also knows when the rhythm is off.
Börjar det gå da-dum, dum, ding, boom, bank, ding, då är det någonting som är fel. Då måste man stanna.
Wherever she goes on the site when the mill is running, she listens for the rhythm. We have woven our textiles for the past year, some with handspun yarns, some with commercial yarns. We fold our pre-soaked fabrics accordion-like to fit the troughs underneath the stomping beams.
Den här nu. Nu är hela tyngden på det här. Då brukar jag liksom skjuta upp den. Så. Ja. Med den. Bort med stolen. Skjuta upp den lite.
After having loaded the fabrics in the troughs, we go back to the mill every hour or so to check the fabrics and refold them. The construction with slanted troughs, the turn-taking of the beams, and the laddered bottoms of the beams make the accordion cloth in the troughs turn ever so slightly, making the beams browse through the folds. This way, the whole lengths of the textiles will be folded evenly. While we wait, we chat, knit and weave to the sound of streaming water and muffled stomping.
Ja. Jag funderar om vi ska blanda upp lite varmare vatten i. Ja.
After 5 hours, we take out the first fabrics and rinse them in the stream. The rest stay in the mill for another hour. To press the water out and to even out the fabrics, we roll them onto a thick dowel. And then onto whatever we bring the cloths home on, yoga mats, dowels, and a sewage pipe. We say our goodbyes to the fulling mill in awe of the power of wood, wool and water.